Good evening, everyone. Today we will be discussing what are the business challenges facing Colombia and Mexico and what strategies they will use to address any of these challenges. We will start by talking a little about the relation that Colombia currently has with Mexico to give a little more answer to the questions. Colombia and Mexico have had a close bond of friendship that has historically united the two countries and over time has strengthened and consolidated the point of reaching the level of strategic relationship, a fact that has promoted economic, cultural, social, and cooperation between these nations, which allows an analysis of both countries. It is important to highlight the commercial relationship between Mexico and Colombia, thanks to the FTA, which allows the entry of various types of products, including agricultural and industrial products. This treaty is an opportunity for growth for both countries in question. Mexico will be able to export trailers, chickpeas, orange juice, milk preparations, corn, among others. Colombia will be able to trade cookies, chewing gum, calcium, cigarettes, sugar, coffee concentrated, among others. Colombia and Mexico have an indigenous and Spanish influence that and mixture their culture. Part of their cultural characteristic is their music. Their gastronomy is also recognized worldwide for its variety with in great natural wealth. It is the country with the greatest biodiversity, and both countries have the same time of religion.
The most important challenges for the Mexican businessmen solving first the local part in order to begin the energize again the binational relation with Colombia is to ask the government for policies that allow to recover quickly the economy, allowing the liberation of tariff for the import of raw materials and allow subsidies and credits for the businessmen and thus to be able to increase directly the economy total. The majority of the Mexican businessmen also considered that the current situation of their company is advancing in the new reality, digital era, and they are implementing strategies or business models in the new normality idea in order of Mexican companies to be able to compete with transnational companies. They must carry out modification in administrative, financial, productive investment and marketing matters in the way they operate.
Hello, my name is Maria del Mar Baeza Calderon, and I want to talk about what strategies would you use to face any of these challenges. So, one strategy is to identify the supply. This is by analyzing whatever the sport is of a product or a resource that the other country does not have, or by exporting to a country where, for example, manufacturing costs are higher than the country which is exporting, because this creates, of course, an opportunity between both countries. This is achieved by identifying and analyze the needs of the country to which the sport is being made. In this case, we're talking about Colombia and Mexico. So, Mexican companies have the responsibility to assume the challenge of competing at an international level by increasing their productivity and entering current markets. So, more Mexican companies are acquiring greater relevance at the international level. And the more operations they have outside the country, the more challenges they will face, of course. So, the larger company becomes and the more operation it has abroad, the more important it is to strengthen its corporate governance for its proper development. And that's what I want to talk today. Thank you so much.
Identifying market niche is an important issue, since this is the why bus sport on the other hand sporting countries shows that center that does expanding new markets, encouraging the creation of new large and small company that produces products that the importing country needs, as promoting business partnership. A relevant issue in the location of company for investing in going to decrease since there are still some controversies why the free agreement. The outsourcing is that taking place in the United States in benefits the states close to border and something company is before it. And major challenge is that there is a for personal turner is the support areas. The performance of company there is going to have low to the equation.